We guide you through how to change your Apple ID password quickly and safely right from your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app, then tap your name at the top to enter your Apple ID menu. Select Password and Security. Then tap Change Password. Your iPhone may ask you to enter your device passcode. Type it to continue. Now, you'll see two boxes where you can enter a new password, and Apple requires at least 8 characters with a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. Type your new password in both fields, then tap Change in the top right. Your Apple ID password will update immediately, and any device logged in with your Apple ID may ask you to sign in again. Once finished, your Apple account becomes more secure and fully updated.